everybody.
Good morning.
Today we are doing 8.2 dividing decimals. Can you divide decimals?
Yes.
Might be a little challenging, but we can do it, right?
Yeah.
All right, so divide. What is another word for divide? Split. So a quotient, that's the easy one. Divisor is actually the thing that does the...
Splitting.
And the dividend is the thing that is actually being split. So we split, we got the splitter, and we got the thing being split, right?
Yeah.
A lot of splitting. And then down here you have the dividend is on the...
Inside.
The divisor is on the...
Outside.
And the quotient is on the...
Top.
Sweet. All right, so this problem right here, you guys have been doing this for quite a while. You know how to divide when there is a decimal in the dividend, right?
Yeah.
You simply just put the decimal up, go straight up, and then you divide, yeah?
Yeah.
The problem was I started teaching you how to divide when there is a decimal in the divisor, right?
Yeah.
First of all, can you divide with the decimal in the divisor?
No.
No, we're just going to say do not ever divide with the decimal in the divisor. It is against the rules. So what we decided to do is we were going to move the decimal so that we're going to move the decimal in the divisor so that it becomes what kind of number?
Whole.
So it became a whole number, yes? And the way we do that is we multiply by using a power of 10. Because when we multiply using powers of 10, we know that we can just hop the decimal point that many places, right?
Yeah.
So if you're multiplying by 10, how many bunny hops would the decimal make?
1.
If you're multiplying by 100, how many bunny hops would the decimal make?
2.
If you're multiplying by 1,000, how many bunny hops would the decimal make?
3.
So in this case, we only need to make one bunny hop to make it a whole number, right?
Yeah.
So it's the same as multiplying by 10, yes? But if we do that on the outside of the division problem, we also need to do it on the...
Inside.
So we multiplied the inside by 10 as well, right?
Yeah.
So then that became 36. So our new problem, if we rewrite it down here, would be 36, yes?
Yeah.
Divided by
3.
3 with those bunny hops in place, yes?
Yeah.
Then you do your math like you've always done. Does McDonald's serve burgers rare? And we got an answer of...
12.
Would that be the same thing for this one?
Yeah.
It would be the same thing because we moved the decimal point over one spot on each the inside and the outside, and we're good to go, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. And so here's your rule. We're not going to read that, but there is your entire rule. That's not your rule, but your process. Cool? How many places did we move the decimal on this one?
1.
Which is the same as multiplying by.
10.
So if we do it on the outside, we have to do it on the...
Inside.
How many places did we move the decimal on this one?
1.
But there was no decimal here, or was there?
There was.
There was that invisible decimal after the number, right?
Yeah.
So we just moved it over one spot and we added
0.
what about this one? How many places do we have to move the decimal?
2.
So we had to move the decimal on the inside how many places?
2.
Moving a decimal 2 places to the right is the same as multiplying by what number?
100.
We good?
Yeah.
And then you just do your division, you get the answer, yes?
Yeah.